Coronavirus days after a Chinese citizen flew into the country and later quarantined himself in his home in Nakuru. Our very own Chichi Josephine begins our bulletin tonight.
Nakuru residents are living in fear of being infected with coronavirus after a Chinese citizen flew into the country and quarantined himself in his home in Ingobor, Nakuru County.
We are here to clarify on the issue of a Chinese national who is married to a Kenyan and stays here in Nakuru, in a village called Ingobor, just across. He arrived from China on 10th February, that is 9 days ago, at 11:30 p.m. And he was driven from Nairobi in an Uber, whose contacts of the driver and the number plates we have.
Nakuru Health Minister Dr. Kariuki Gishoke said that the Chinese citizen was allowed to travel to his home after being screened at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport on his arrival, and therefore assured residents of no cause for alarm, as signs don't match those of the dreaded coronavirus disease.
We visited him yesterday in his place. The county government of Nakuru has talked on PPEs and thermogans, and therefore our health staff visited him well dressed, and they interviewed him and examined him. First and foremost, he does not have any signs and symptoms, and therefore his condition does not meet the standard case definition for coronavirus infection.
Kariuki added that the county government of Nakuru has taken responsibility of training 200 health workers on coronavirus preparedness and purchased relevant equipment to counter in case of an outbreak.
The other thing that we have done as a county government is that we have trained 200 staff from PGH, Gilgil and Naivasha hospitals on coronavirus, signs and symptoms, and the management of the same. And we have also stocked on PPEs and thermogans and sanitizers, which are alcohol-based. And we have made a quarantine facility at the PGH.
Chichi Josephine reporting for TV 47 from Nakuru County.